Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to edit caption of Facebook Reels after posting. In order to edit caption of your Facebook Reels after posting, first you'll need to open your Facebook app. Once you open your Facebook, you will see your home page. From there, you'll need to tap in the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen right below the home button. This will take you to your Facebook profile page where you can see all your posts. Now, you can look for your reel that you have posted by scrolling down a bit. After you find your reel, you'll have to tap on the reel. Now, you'll have to tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner of your screen. A menu will pop up with a lot of options that can help you to make changes in your reels. In order to change caption of reels after posting, you'll have to tap on the edit reel options right below download reel. From there, you can tap on your old caption and you can make the changes that you want. You can also change your settings if you want to post the reel in public or to friends only. After you have made your changes, you'll have to tap on the save option. And just like that, as you can see, your caption of Facebook Reels has been changed even after posting. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to edit caption of Facebook Reels after posting. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe.